Start by taking the 4 side bolts out, 2 on each side. Save these 4 bolts because you'll need them later to install your new bumper. Each side will have a bracket with 2 bolts holding the bumper on. Remove all 4 bolts. No need to save these. The bumper should now be free to pull off. Pull the 3 bolts out of the factory hook. Again, you won't need these parts any longer. If you have a factory hitch, remove the bolts from the back side of the hitch. Once the hitch is off, you'll notice the hole on the passenger side is smaller than the rest. Run a 1/2 inch drill through the hole farthest to the passenger side. Moving to the bench, secure your hitch so that you can remove the weld nuts. Cut 4 or 5 of the spot welds off and give it a good hit. They'll break free. Slide the bumper into place and install the 4 side bolts by hand. Slide the hitch back into place and install the supplied nuts and bolts. Tighten the hitch bolts, then tighten the side bolts and you're good to go. For more information, head over to Steinjager.com. Be sure to follow us on YouTube and Facebook to see more awesome stuff that we're working on. Thanks for watching.